Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to reset Google account password. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, on my phone settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to Google right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google name. Then proceed to your Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on personal info. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you go to password section right here. That's going to take you right here. At this point here, enter your new password, confirm your new password, and click on change. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply reset your Google account password. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.